Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you how to send a spoiler-taken photo on WhatsApp web using your PC with the latest update. This new feature lets you blur out your photo before sending it, making it perfect for sharing surprises or sensitive images with friends. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer by visiting the official website and linking your phone if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to the chat where you want to send your photo. Look for the plus icon at the bottom of the chat window. Click on it and you'll see several options pop up. Select the camera option. This is where the magic begins. Now, your computer's camera will activate. Position yourself or your subject, and when you're ready, click on the camera icon to take the photo. You'll see a preview of the image you just captured. This is your chance to add a spoiler effect before anyone else can see what's in the photo. At the top of the photo preview, you'll notice a blur icon. Click on it. With the blur tool activated, use your mouse to select the entire image area. This will apply a blur effect over the whole photo, turning it into a mystery for the recipient. If you want to adjust the blur, simply drag over the image again until you're satisfied with the level of concealment. Once your photo is blurred and ready to send as a spoiler, just hit the send button. Your friend will receive the image, but they'll only see the blurred version until they choose to reveal what's behind it. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a spoiler-taken photo on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature is perfect for sharing surprises, gifts, or any content you want to keep hidden until the right moment. Give it a try and add an extra layer of excitement to your chats.